Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial exactly what you need to do to get virtually unlimited livejasmin credits without you needing to pay for it. It is directly approved by livejasmin. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Livejasmin will get paid real money for these tokens, for the allocation of these credits. So basically the way it works is that you are going to watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your livejasmin account, which convert to tokens. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy, and this level of advertisement made for livejasmin just got released this year, I believe, and it is 100% legit, and it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved and partnership with livejasmin. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited livejasmin credit, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry guys, it is really simple and takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves livejasmin and wants to get premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments. And if you like this type of content, if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.